Welcome back to Ride Ready Reviews, the place where automotive passion meets precision. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell icon, because we bring you the latest, the fastest, and the boldest rides from around the world every single day. Today, we're diving into one of the most anticipated revivals in the automotive world, the 2026 Buick Grand National. Yes, you heard that right. The legend is back, and it's bolder, meaner, and more high-tech than ever before. The Grand National has always been a symbol of raw American power. Originally born in the 1980s, it became an icon thanks to its turbocharged V6 rear-wheel drive and stealthy all-black appearance. It was the street sleeper that embarrassed V8 muscle cars at the drag strip. Fast forward to 2026, and Buick is bringing that magic back, but with a modern twist. Let's start with the design. The 2026 Grand National commands attention with its aggressive stance, sharp lines, and unmistakable presence. Buick hasn't just slapped a badge on a sedan. No, this is a ground-up performance machine. With a wide body frame, low-slung silhouette, and massive air intakes up front, it screams performance. The LED lighting signature brings a futuristic edge, while the gloss black grille pays homage to the original's menacing look. Under the hood, the new Grand National is rumored to feature a twin-turbocharged 3.6-liter V6 engine pushing over 400 horsepower. For enthusiasts, this is a dream. Power, precision, and that unmistakable turbo whistle that made the original a legend. And yes, it's rear-wheel drive. Buick clearly understands what made the Grand National iconic in the first place. There are also whispers of an even more powerful GNX version, possibly boasting a hybrid-assisted V8 setup targeting over 500 horsepower. If that's true, we're looking at a serious contender to take on the likes of the Dodge Charger Scat Pack, BMW M340i, and even the Mustang Dark Horse. Step inside, and the interior is nothing short of luxurious. Buick is pushing into premium territory with Alcantara touches, brushed aluminum trims, and a digital cockpit that blends performance with comfort. A 12-inch infotainment system, fully digital gauge cluster, ambient lighting, and sporty bucket seats with Grand National embroidery give it that perfect mix of heritage and innovation. Technology is another area where the 2026 Grand National shines. It's expected to come equipped with GM's latest Super Cruise hands-free driving system, wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, and an advanced heads-up display. Buick isn't just chasing performance, it's making sure the modern driver has all the latest tech at their fingertips. Now let's talk numbers. While Buick hasn't confirmed pricing just yet, experts predict a starting price around $45,000 for the base model, with the GNX variant potentially pushing past the $60,000 mark. That puts it in a sweet spot for enthusiasts who want muscle car thrills with everyday usability. One of the biggest questions is, can the new Grand National live up to its legendary name? From everything we've seen and heard so far, it absolutely can. Buick has managed to modernize a classic without stripping away its soul. It's not just a badge, it's a rebirth. The return of the Grand National also signals something bigger: Buick's shift toward performance and excitement. For too long, the brand has been seen as quiet, safe, and conservative. But with the 2026 Grand National, they're clearly ready to shake things up and challenge the status quo. So, what do you think? Is the new Buick Grand National the comeback we've all been waiting for? Drop your thoughts in the comments below and let us know if this modern muscle car lives up to the hype. This has been another review from Ride Ready Reviews. Make sure to like, subscribe, and stay tuned, because the road to the future is full of horsepower, and we're driving it one review at a time.